Welcome back. Today I'll teach you guys how to do the table borders. So far the tables you have created have been a little difficult to read because they have no borders. In older versions of HTML, a border could be added to a table using the border attribute. Now setting it equal to an integer, this integer would represent the thickness of the border. Now the code in the example is deprecated, so please don't use it. Now deprecated basically means that this type of practice is not followed now, and so we don't need to use it. Now it's meant to illustrate older conventions you may come across when you're reading other developers' code. Now, the browser will likely interpret your code correctly if you use a border attribute, but that doesn't mean the attribute should be used. We use CSS to add style to our HTML documents because it helps us separate the structure of a page from how it looks. You can learn more about CSS in our CSS courses, which we'll be learning in the upcoming weeks. Now, the code is an example of how you can use CSS instead of just HTML to show the table borders. Now, we're going to need some more data in the table, so add the following data to the table. Make sure to place it after the second table row. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and copy this. Should be fine. So place it after the second row, which is right here. Let me just place it all right there. And the format does not look good, so I'm going to fix the format, but you guys get the gist. And that's gonna end it right there. So thank you for watching, I'll see y'all in the next one. I hope you guys found this helpful. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Have a great day.